Hi guys, this is my first tutorial on Droip. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a landing page using the Droip. So here you can see this on this design. I got this design from team. So this design for a landing page for SaaS-based application or so. I'm going to create this landing page using the Droip. So today I'm going to create this hero section using the Droip. Okay, let's start it. In this Droip, you can see there is menu bar here, page layer, element, media, and also this media panel. So basically initial part I'm going to add a background color for this body. So I'm going to add a body style here. Then I'm add a background for this body. Just a second, I need a background from my design and copy this color and put here. So I need a div here for my header, this on this div, and in the layer panel I'm going to rename it header and add a class for header. After then we need to create a container. So I'm just going to measure this container size here. Just a second. Uh, 1240 is a container size, so I'm going to create another container. You can see already they are provided container. We can use this one and we can create our own. So I'm going to create myself, or I'm not okay, just I'm going to create using this one for Droip Builder. So I need to update my container size. They are by default add for a container size 1200 pixel, and here is their basic setup: margin left auto, margin right auto, and they are put some padding for this container. So I need to increase just for this size because my container size is 44 pixel, 1244 pixel. So I need to add more 44 pixel. It will be 1288 pixel. This is my container. In this container I am going to add another div, this one. I'm going to rename it nav, and I'm going to put 3 element here, one for heading, another for is list item, and another for a button. So we added 3 elements, but we cannot see it because of this font color and background color. They look like similar. So I need to detach their default class here. I'm detaching it, and I'm also detaching for this list style and this button. Okay, I'm going to add a font color for this heading. This on this font color. I'm going to add a font color also here. This one, so it is white and now it's visible. So in this part I do not need to I'm going to reset, and just a second, I'm going to rename it band name, and I need for size, their band size it is 22 pixel and font weight is 1600. 22 pixel and font weight is another things I need to add install font family for my design. So you can install font family this is in this part. So here click, and you can see here is a menu upload custom font. In this panel has a 3 part fonts: add Google font, install font, and upload font. So I'm going to use Google font. Here you can see already have added a font here in Inter. So I'm going to use Inter here and set a typography color, and I need to add line height for 28 pixels, and it will be semi bold. So I'm going to add this logo here, this one logo, and you can see here is a by default margin from this browser site. So I'm going to reset this default margin. And another things we do not need to more list item, just I need on, and I'm going to delete another list item. Okay, this will be brand name, and this is the link item or list item. So I didn't think I need a link, so here is a link block I'm going to put here. And okay, just a second, I changed my mind. I need a div. It will be more easier. I'm going to add a div, and in this div I'm going to add a link block. In this link block I'm going to add a paragraph. Then I'm going to rename it So just a second, I don't need do not need this part. It will be nav item, and font size 60 pixel, 16 pixel, and 24 pixel height, line height, and font will be. Then their menu is about us. Yeah, so I'm just move is middle. It will be appear in this middle, and I'm select it and select on this one, and I'm going to duplicate this one again and again. You can see there are few duplicate part in this link item. So it will be nav links, and I'm going to add a class name nav links. Sorry, it's a nav link, not list links, and it will be link item, nav link item. So okay, just I'm going to delete this one, and this one. After now in this menu you can see we add brand name, links, and button. So we can add a display flex. So just a second, I'm going to add a class name here, nav. Then I'm going to set a structure display flex, and I need to space between and make it center alignment. Yeah, we are getting almost. So okay, just I need to duplicate this link item here, this on link item. I'm going to duplicate using this Control D, or in Mac using the Command D. So I'm get three duplicate, and in this nav link I'm going to also add a flex item. Here is a flex. In this flex we can also using this inline tool. Here you can see this one is row gap, this one is the column gap. So I need a column gap, and just a second, what is the gap here? 34 pixel. So in column gap will be 34 pixel, and add here what happened, I'm at this column gap, so it's a mistake. It will be 34 pixel for column gap. Okay, so now I need to update content. It will be product, it will be pricing. Then I'm going to duplicate it, and contact and service. I'm creating another duplicate, this one, and this one is contact, and this one is service. Maybe not good. This one will be service. Just a second, service. Okay, so we need to add few padding in this top bottom, 20 or 13, 31, and I'm going to add a padding in this snapshot. Here I'm going to add 29 pixel and 29 pixel for this menu. This on this menu, and just we need to change this button color. I am detach this default color or style, and add our own style. So it will be sign in. I'm going to update my content, sign in, and put a name, button. Yeah, so button white background, and padding in top bottom is 10 pixel. Okay, got it. So here is the padding is 10 pixel. So not this on for this style. It will be, here is button, and I'm going to add 10 pixel, and here is a few extra padding, and just a second, I'm going to add a width. It will be more easier. Width is on 36 pixel, and height will be 42 pixel. Height will 42 pixel. 42 pixel. Okay, our pattern is almost ready. So just I need to add a okay, just remove this default border, and add for radius is 12 pixel, and border radius will be 12 pixel. Yeah, so our heading is almost ready. You can see this one is our heading, and we can also add our nav, also our link here. You can see this on this link menu. So our headings ready. So I'm going to add another section. In this header, I'm going to add a section, for hero section. I'm rename it hero section, and add a class for this one, hero section. So just a second, I need to see my design. Okay, so here is a text, paragraph text, and it is a heading, and it is a form, and this on this another 3 cut. So I'm going to these 3 content, paragraph, title, and this form, wrap a tip, and this 3 cut will I'm going to wrap another tip. So let's do this. So we need to add a container. I'm add a container. In this container, I'm going to add a name, hero content, hero section content. Yeah, I'm just copy this name and put here, hero section content. So we need to add 3 elements also here. Now this will be a paragraph, a heading, and a form. So I'm going to add a form. So this is the by default style. So we need to detach this default class here, and here is the default class, and we can solve this color issue using this body style. I'm going to select this body part, and you can see this is body style. I'm going to change this body color is white, so all element will be visible, and so now you can see this paragraph is visible. Okay, so I'm going to update this content from my site, and this on this heading content. Okay, just add some class here, subtitle, and it will be a title, and it will be font. Okay, just let's start with this one. So as it is, so it will be font family inter. Another things, we can also add this font family is a parent here. So I'm going to font family here, and I make it default and 24 pixels, so we do not need to change here. So I'm going to add this center and add a title, and remove this default margin here. So remove it and add color from here, then we can visible. Yeah, this content is visible now. So we need to add a font family, this one. So their heading font size is 72 pixel, font weight and center alignment. Line height, I'm going to add 80 pixel, and font weight will be the semi-bold. Okay, our design is initially ready, and in this form part I'm going to make it our design. So just I'm going to remove from the layer panel. You can see there are a few design in this form block. So this one, this heading, I don't need to any heading, and just remove this one, and this one also, this one. So okay, so I'm going to add a div in the form block, this on this div, and in this div we are going to make this design. So here you can see in div here is a 2 part. One is a text button, another is a input field, another is a submit button. So yeah, just our submit button is already have, you can see this on submit button, and I move this div one is up and move this inside this submit button. In this button I'm going to add a button. I think it will be button. Yeah, it look like button, so I can create a button. Okay, I'm just going to add another button inside. First button is this on this button, and I need to input fill this in this side. So you can see is a form. I'm going to form. Just name it form, and I'm going to rename this as form. So we need a input field here. So I'm going to add an input field this section. Another thing, in Droip we cannot add any input field outside of form block. That's why I'm drop this form block from this Droip panel and remove unnecessary input field and create my own sub. So just we need to make for proper alignment. Just I'm going to add. Okay, just this one is up, will be up here, and this one, yeah, our layout is already done. I'm just going to add a background for proper visibility. So you can see this one are a div, so we need to add a style for display flex. I'm going to add a display flex. You can see here these are button, so I'm going to make this our own design here. So I just detach this default class by Droip. Also here is another button input. I'm going to detach it, and another button submit button. I'm going to detach this, their default color. So I need add for a background color. You can see here the background, yeah, RGB 002. Okay, and what is the padding is it 22 pixel. Yeah, in this div I'm adding to 22 pixel for this both side, and add a background color. I'm adding a background color here. It will be RGBA and 250. What is the, yeah, and this one is the percentage. I mean, here will be 12%. Yeah, you can see this on our design is coming. So I'm going to add a name a button. It will be generate button, and I'm update. I'm going to add another name is generate button. So here 10 pixel. Yeah, already have 10 pixel. I just need to this background color. And font color will be white, and it's 22 pixel. And another things we need to detail this width here from this part, and also the height, and this content will be generated, and we need to some border radius will be here, 50 pixel. Border radius will be 50 pixel. And what is the padding is I think padding will be left right 25 pixel. Yeah, so padding will be left side structure 25 pixel. 25 pixel. Yeah, and we need also a rounded radius here, 20 pixel radius. 20 pixel radius for this parent. Yeah, our design is coming now. So just I'm going to add this input field, rename it and name source input. Okay, so remove from all of, yeah, you can see here is a placeholder, is a type your font, so we can add placeholder, type your font, and it will be name is source, and it will be text. Yeah, text. So just we need to add 20 pixel and background color. And I do not need any background color, so I'm going to transparent it. Yeah, this one is now transparent maybe, and I do not need any border. and I do not need any outline also here. You can see there is a outline by default, and remove it all of default style, and hidden theme solid background is not working. Yeah, now it looks like similar. uh, Another button we need to it will be build and just add a submit button. Yeah, I'm going to add this button, and here it does this auto, and padding will be 25 pixels for left and 25 pixels for right, and also I'm going to reset this height also. Now it's okay. I need to add, I need to check this font size. Yeah, okay, it's okay now. Then button, you can see here this on our button. Okay, we need to add this background color. You can see this linear gradient color. Yeah, linear gradient color, background, linear gradient, and first one it will be 90°. So I'm going to make it, yeah, is by default here is a 90°, and this on the first color I'm going to add this, and this on the second color. And typography will be 22 pixel, and also font node. So here typography will be 22 pixel. Yeah guys, you can see here this another similar button, so that's why they are effective also here. I think I'm going to add another class. Okay, let's skip this one. I'm going to focus on this one, then after then I'm going to fix this part. So here will be, so now our form is almost ready, so we need to manage our spacing. Yeah, so in this button, yeah, this submit button, let's rename it submit button. Then I'm going to add a margin left auto. I'm going to reset this class from here, and it will be, size will be 100%. Yeah, so and we need few padding for this both side. I mean 16 pixel left and 16 pixel. Yeah, so now we need to add our spacing from this top is 96 pixel, and now I'm going to add a 96 pixel margin top, and this part will be here I'm going to add a 22 pixel for this up, and about this one it will be 50 pixel. It will be a 50 pixel from this up, and this font size will be okay, just a second, sharp show 700 pixel, 746 pixel, and we can add a margin left auto, and also we can add a margin right auto. This, yeah, our design is look like is similar, and we are moving this cardboard. Now retake this design, it's almost awesome. So I'm going to make this design for card. So hero section, I'll select the hero section, I'll select this content, and after this content I'm going to add this div will be 3 cut. So I'm first of all I'm going to create a first cut. So here I'm going to rename is for cut. It will be a card item. So here it will be cuts, not cut. So I'm adding cards here, and it will be a card item. Okay, let's move to design the card item. So it is basic. So for the design, I'm select this one. Yeah, so you can see this card is a initial padding is 22 pixel, and up top button is 20 pixel. So yeah, this card item will be padding 22 pixel this around. And here is a title, this one. I'm going to add heading, paragraph. Yeah, and it has this color, also it has this one color, and it has this one color. So set a title, card title, and copy the content from here, card title, make it, and it will be integration, paragraph, and this is the another context. So I need to background color format this card. I'm going to add a background color, copy this background color from here, select this one, background color is a solid color, and put this color, and you can also set this color for a future. So we need to make this design. Yeah, so I'm going to set this font size and font family also here. The font size is 43 pixel. I don't know, it will be maybe 42 pixel, and font size 48 pixel, and color will be white, and font size will be a bold. I think not bold, semi bold. Then we need to remove this browser style from this here. Yeah, all of set done. And we need a border from this title. So I'm going to add a border from this heading. Here is a border code. You can see this stroke is a click here for single border, click here, and we set this border color, and copy this border color from here. Just a second, this border color is white 30, so it will be going to white, and I make this white is 30. Yeah, and now it's visible. So I need to padding bottom 8 pixel from this border, and we need a rounded border radius. Here its round will be 16 pixel. Border radius will be 16 pixel for this cut. I make on this cut, and I'm going to add a grid here. I'm going to add a grid. You can see this on our inline grid system. We need to 3 column. I'm going to add a 3 column. So just here, and I need to space here this curve between 22 pixel. So I need to add this one is row gap, this one is the column gap. This will be 22 pixel. Yeah, it's done now. Just I'm select this cart item and going to copy duplicate here. After this part, we get a margin from this card here. Actually it's pixel 48 pixel here. So, and I'm going to mean height from my body. I'm going to add a minimum height 100 ps. Not let me select this one. Min height. Yeah, our design is almost done. You can see our design is almost done. After then, just I need to change this background color and content. Okay, our design is almost ready. So now I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to add a button, this button design here. So I'm update this color. Sorry, update this button margin. So update button or update list, and I'm going to remove their photo from here. So our design is okay. So yeah, you can see this already created almost like pixel by pixel is from this design. So we need this background color. So you can see here this one background color, and another thing is I need to add a div for this one, this one, and this div have a it will be a name is background color bg color section, just bg color section. I'm going to add bg color section. Yeah, so why I'm at this div, you can see here is the two div, this one and this one. There is a make it display flags. Yeah, so just we need to add this background color from this part. This one is the background color. Here you can see this one is the background color. You select and put this background color, and select this one, put this background color, select this one and put this background color, and both of one we need to add blur, and I'm going to add a blur. So I'm going to add a blur from the effect. You can see here is a black, and blur will be blur will be pixel 250 pixel blur, and 3 to 5 pixel is blur. So this design is look like or similar. So we add a section height. Section height will be 780. Height will be we just create our this look. So this is on today for today. By the way guys, this is my first tutorial, so please skip this long video, and